Good morning students, welcome to your Montessori 2 English class. Dear students, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, today we will identify our new sound. Guess what? Our new sound is... Student, this is our new sound. What's this? It's It's The sound of N is Necklace. The sound of N is for necklace. Necklace. Nail cutter. Nail cutter. Needle. Needle. Nails. Nails. Students, these are the nails. Nails. And for newspaper. For newspaper. Newspaper. Nest. Nest. Students, the sound of N is nest. Who is she? She is nurse. 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 Students, what's this? It's nail. It's nail. It's nail. Nose. Nose. तो मैडम ने आपको दिखाई वो साउंड से स्टार्ट होती हैं. न्यूज़पेपर, नेकलेस, nails, nail cutter, needle, and this is the sound of this is sound. This is sound. Nose. Now kids, come to book page number 10. Book page number 10. Here you have to look, say, feel and then trace. Students, what's this? It's sound. What's this? Sound. Nest, necklace, nurse and newspaper. Students, now you have to open your two fingers and then you have to trace on it. Close your eyes and feel it. You have to close your eyes, go down, go up and hope. You have to hope just one time. Go down, go up and hope. And then आपने जो है वो पेंसिल लेनी है. Now you have to trace it. Go down, go down, go up and you have to hope now. Hope. It's nose. Go down, go up and hope. Okay kids? Now kids, it's your turn to do your homework, and your homework is you have to find the sound things at your home. Sound things at your home, and also complete book page number 10. Book page number 10 is here. You have to trace on sound and feel the sound. Allah Hafiz.